Hi guys, this is Eka. Welcome to my channel, EKAhitano, anything under the sun. Today we'll be unboxing Yeezy Boost 350 V2, the Yeezreel or Jezreel, a Hebrew word which means God will sow. Let's start unboxing. It's like a typical box of Yeezy. Let's slide it open. And there's a tissue paper on it. The outsole, which is yellowish green, and the midsole, and it incorporates black and dark gray flecks on the upper knit so that it has some fresh look on it, and it also has a pull tab. I have worn this for 3 hours and I think this is the most comfiest kicks I've ever worn so far. So the Boost technology is so good. So that's it. Thank you for watching.